So this is TP-Link AC750 dual band Wi-Fi 4G LTE router. Okay, so here you can see that it is having such properties like it can be 4G enabled and also SIM card plug and play. Then 300 Mbps speed, and here you can read that easy setup and use and outstanding compatibility, and here the WAN connection and one much, and then stability, and also the SIM card plug and play is the best feature it is having. So here you can read about all these things. Now the specifications, and here you can see the ports: power port, LAN port, WPS, micro card, then SIM slot, Wi-Fi on off. So now I'm gonna unbox this and here we show the contents. Okay, so here you can see that. Yes, so what does it contains? Let's check them out. All the things, all the accessories that are come up with this Wi-Fi router. So these are detachable antennas, which is gonna to be the power pack thing for signal strength. So these are two detachable antennas for this router. Okay, so this device, you can see that it's an alternative for JioFi, as it has the SIM card plug and play system, but it doesn't have battery. Okay, so here you can see that the ports of antennas. Now I'm gonna take this one. So this is the DC power plug, not the charger, that it doesn't have a battery. Okay, so you're gonna need this for power supply. It's an adapter, power adapter, and it does have an this DC port. Okay, so now yeah, you can see that it's long and length. And now this is the SIM card placeholder. Okay, so as you're gonna use micro SIM card, so you have to put that micro SIM card within this holder, and then there is a tape. You can also just like paste this tape over the card holder and the SIM card so that it doesn't detach. Okay, so now you can see that this is the SIM card and micro SIM card of Jio, and now I'm gonna just put this within the holder. So here you can see that it's just like that. Okay, so the SIM card is done, SIM card placeholder is done, and now this is the router. Okay, so here you can see that, but before this now we have these documents, and just like it's an easy installation guide and nothing like that. Okay, so the important thing right now is this LAN Ethernet cable that we have right now, and we can use it for the internet connection and also to supply data between two laptops and all these things. So mainly it is for that. And now I have to put this aside here, and then this is the router, and it's looking good, but it's made of plastic, not that much rugged. So now you can read this things like this, and here you can see this this is where the password is written. I am hiding this for security purpose. Okay, so now the ports. So this is for detachable antenna 1, and then we have the another ports like LAN WAN ports. We have 4 LAN WAN ports, and then we have SIM card, Wi-Fi on off, and LAN cards, LAN ports, and this is the power. This is where, and this is the antenna second. Okay, so now what I gonna do is to just show you that how to put this, just like that, easy one. If you are using LAN connection, then this is the better option you have. Okay, so I took this router just because it's a best alternative for Jio-Fi. So now I have put this power adapter within this, and now I also gonna to show you the demo of this. Okay, so for now what I gonna do next is just like take out the SIM card and then put the SIM card within this LAN router, okay, and then I'm just putting this aside. Yes, it is done almost, and then here I have to put this within this just like that. Okay, and here you can see that in this position it has to be done. Okay, then press it. If you have long nail, then it's pretty good for this task. Okay, so done. And now I have to add the antennas for signal. So I'm just adding the antennas, the detachable antennas. You just have to roll it up like this, and then the second one for the second side. I'm doing the same, just move it this much and it's done. Okay, almost it is done. And now I have to plug and play with the power. So I put it again. So now you can see that the power option, and here you are seeing the Wi-Fi is on, and now the signal and the internet data is on or off. So this is the signal, like you have two signals right now, and the second one now three signals, and this is for showing you that data is on, internet is on. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then please subscribe Techno Learning.